Elizabeth, Countess of Low Carb, and on this episode, we're going to do keto diet for beginners. What do I eat in a day? Coming up next. Hey guys, it's Elizabeth, Countess of Low Carb. I am so pumped to show you today my keto diet for beginners. What do I eat in a day? I'm taking a poll. What is your favorite keto meal? Put in the comments below. And while you're down there, make sure you click like and subscribe if you want to see all things ketogenic diet, all things weight loss, all things fasting. Let's dive into what did I eat today? A full day of eating, a keto diet for beginners, so you can kind of see what I'm eating. Okay, before I show you everything that I'm eating, two quick things. One, I have a free resource for you. This is my keto diet for beginners weight loss meal plan. It's a printable, my gift to you, totally for free, down in the description link below. Hello, weekly meal plan for free, real food, not like pills, shakes, junk like that. It's real food, down in the description link below. And number two is that I encourage you to use my calculating macros website, which I will also put down below. It's how you figure out your own fat grams and your own protein grams for what you should be eating as a beginner on the keto diet. Keto is high fat, moderate protein, low carb, and a lot of keto diet for beginners don't know how to do that. So go check out that website link down in the description link below. I use Carb Manager Premium to track those fat grams and protein grams. Let me show you my day. So I'm not gonna have all of this. I'm still cooking it, but this is such an easy keto meal. Like, hello, this is so simple. And so easy. FYI, apples are not keto. I just have a 3-year-old who's obsessed, but those are not. Ignore the man behind the curtain. But I did want to show you my bacon of like, it doesn't have to be time consuming to do the ketogenic diet. It does not have to be all these hoity-toity recipes. It can literally be as simple as bacon and guacamole to get your high fats, moderate protein, low carb in. So if you saw my Costco video, you saw I got these awesome guacamole packets. I love these because they're super guacamole packets. They're only 2 net carbs for the whole packet. So I'm gonna go ahead and make some bacon chips. Literally, this is the easiest keto, laziest keto meal ever. I'm gonna have bacon dipped into my guacamole. Ta-da! And see sauce knows. I'm just gonna keep it super simple for my keto lunch. I am waiting until my intermittent fasting, my 16-8 intermittent fasting time, 16 hours of fasting ends, and then I'll be all set to have this for my keto meal. Lots of high fats here. Oh my gosh, I was so wanting a lazy keto meal, so I simply made bacon with guacamole. It was keto chips and dip. And so literally I took 6 pieces of bacon, cut them in half, and dipped them into 2 containers of the Costco guacamole packets. If you saw my keto Costco grocery shopping haul, you know where those cups came from. But those guacamole cups, right, are high fat, moderate protein, low carb. It's getting in my good fats for the day early on. And I did fast for 16 hours before I engaged in having that meal to help along my keto weight loss journey. So that was my keto lunch that I started my day with. So I'm simply gonna go in here and add in my food. Excuse my dirty fingers. Hello, that's mom life right there. That's real weight loss meets real life. And I just type in, as you can see, my portions, and it will show me in here like what grading it is and things like that. So this makes it really simple to add in foods into my Carb Manager Premium. Next thing is I ran over to Starbucks. I love getting a Trenta iced coffee, no classic, with a teaspoon of heavy cream in it. This does technically break a fast with having too much heavy cream, so I really make it like a doot in there, but it does help get my fats in. Some people are sensitive to dairy. I am one of those. It can stall my keto weight loss journey if I have too much dairy, so that's why I only have a little droppy poo of that heavy cream. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and take my blood to get my ketone readings. I make sure I have a bunch of blood in there, so it's really simple to use. Get one of my ketone strips. And I don't like using pea strips because they don't work after the first day or 2. I just plug this in. Then I just let it count down. By the way, if you want my I Am Countess t-shirt, it's in the description link below. And this should be 0.5 to 3 to be in good ketosis. I just came back from vacation. It's 0.8, which is not bad. Not bad at all. I will link my Keto Mojo affiliate link down below if you are interested in this. I've tried a bunch of different ones, and I like their glucose reader and their Keto Mojo reader. And again, this should be at 0.5 through 3 range, is really, really good blood numbers. And that's it, simple. So next I wanted to see my Keto Mojo blood reading. I like to track it throughout the days. 90 minutes after I've eaten something, I can see how my body reacts to certain foods. And for Keto Diet for Beginners, super helpful to have data to help me make educated decisions of what ketogenic diet foods I should be eating through my own blood testing. It's not theory, it's my actual blood reacting, my body reacting in ketosis to certain foods, and that's very, very helpful as a beginner to have. I will put the Keto Mojo link down in the description link below. Oh my gosh, have you gotten my Keto Diet meal plan for free? It's down in the description link below. And the next thing I have on there is my deviled eggs. I'm a Southern gal. I'm from Northern Virginia, but live in rural Virginia now. And I love deviled eggs. I have a great keto recipe for deviled eggs, and that will be down in the description link below too, of how you can make these easy keto snacks. I don't really encourage keto snacks, right? Because of fasting, and it spikes your insulin, which can slow down your weight loss journey. But as a beginner or restarter or keto restarter, on this day, I'm coming back from vacation. And so having had a whole week long of eating whatever I want, whenever I wanted, having a snack for me, a keto snack, I needed it. So having the deviled eggs was an awesome snack. Many of y'all have asked about my keto magnet system, my keto meal planning system. I will put that in the description link below if you want some extra visual motivation on your fridge. I have a whole keto magnet meal planning system, which I'll link down below. Let's go work out. To go get my workout in, so I'm gonna go downstairs and work out in our gym. How are you moving your body today? Put in the comments below. I would love to know. And for dinner, I went out for a business meeting. I ended up getting the Cobb salad. I'm gonna figure out how to make this at home because it had the romaine lettuce, right? And we know that our bodies need ideally spinach because of the potassium in it. We need to have potassium on the ketogenic diet. So getting it through spinach, which has more potassium than a banana, is super, super helpful. But this was romaine lettuce, crab, which stunned me, blue cheese, some tomatoes, just being mindful of the dressing with it. It was so good. And with the guacamole, they had, sometimes it's avocado slices. This was just some guacamole on top of it. It was absolutely amazing. And I had that with sparkling water with a bunch of limes squeezed in. I used to drink tons of diet sodas and pretty much only have a Diet Coke like once a month. Once if I go out like on vacation, I had one. It makes me have puffery, so I've really gotten into sparkling water. And I used to have delivery of Perrier and Pellegrino from Amazon sent to my house, which I will link down below. But now I make my own through my soda stream, just not adding soda syrup, just the bubbly waters. I don't know, it tastes kind of Diet Cokey. So that's what I got with my keto dinner, was a Cobb salad. And I'm going to figure out how to make that at home for a future keto recipe too. If you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button, make sure you click subscribe, and get your free keto diet meal plan. If you're a keto diet for beginners, you should get this free resource. Hello, it will tell you everything you need to get started on the ketogenic diet and to have awesome weight loss too. Let's make it a powerful day, and I'll see you again next time. Bye, guys.